I have a 2002 Lexus is300 and I was at the car wash. Totally bopped my antenna off, so I'm replacing it. And to replace it, I didn't really see much videos online, so you got this on the other side you need to pop off. There's two 10 millimeters on each side. Looks about like this. Looks like that. Looks like that. What I ended up doing was I took off the headrest. I pulled this piece off. There's two clips and it just slides right on in. So see, slides right on in right there. So it slides right on out. There's a few clips. Slides right on out. I did break these two in the process. These two little clips, you're supposed to pull this down. You can get one of your hands in there to get up to those bolts. And then yeah, you just unplug those, plug them back in, put that little plastic piece back on, little bolts, and then you should be good. No more damaged antenna. Okay, just pull the old one out. And then boom, just gonna install the new one. Gotta get your hand in there. And then boom, just connect these two to these and you're all set. And then boom, bolt it down. Boom, not broken anymore. Ah, yeah. I wanted to show you guys how to put this right back together real quick. Got the headliner back on. This just snakes in right to the little square over here. So you're gonna install that there. I'm gonna snake this clip under the seat. And then it should click in right there, and then the rest just clip on right on in. Clip right on in there, and boom, all set. It's also probably best to do with clean hands. But boom, and then you just put this guy right back over here. And then bada bing, you just swapped your antenna out for a new one. And you may have broke some clips on the way, but it was worth it.